What's going on, guys? It's Forex Trader here, coming at you again with another video. I know I haven't posted in a while. It's been crazy busy. Outside of trading, of course, life's been a bit hectic. But in today's video, I'm gonna break down a few pairs and what I'm looking at for next week. Today is Sunday. Markets are closed, and today is when I do all my analysis for the week ahead. Right? So starting with GBP, JPY. The reason why I'm starting with it is because it's my main pair that I trade. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. I always start off with, obviously I've done my markup on a weekly time frame, everything done on the higher time frame. So you have to always start from the higher time frame all the way down to smaller time frame. Looking at the daily and the way how this last day Friday's candle closed tells me one thing, right? 3 days prior, where the day before that and the day before that, you can see this massive bearish engulfing candle, and then the previous 2 days were just basically a retracement for this massive bearish engulfing, and price managed to close below this blue line that I have. This is a daily support. I can show you how it's a support. You can see price held here, price held here, price held here as well. Breakthrough, retest. Now obviously this considered still not broken because one candle closed above, the next candle immediately closed below. And now the market has retraced back and retesting this blue line that was literally support, support, now resistance. So from that alone, my bias on pound yen is bearish. At least for the short term, not for the long term, right? It's bearish. So then I go down to 4 hour. 4 hour, you can see very, very clear, a clear downtrend. And if you can't see this, you need to get your technical analysis in check, because this is just pure technical analysis. Boom, boom, lower lows and lower highs. Boom, lower high to maybe form another lower low. Simple technical analysis, right? This has nothing to do with fundamentals, nothing. It's just pure price action, candlestick patterns, and market structure. So what I'm looking at for the next week is something like this. Where's my tool? Maybe. Okay, hold on. So for next week, starting from tomorrow, this is something I'm looking at, maybe for pound yen, right? Something like this. What I'm thinking is price is going to end up back at around the 15800 level, 158,200 level. Sorry. So I'm bearish on pound yen. I want to see how price reacts. Again, I'm not predicting, I'm reacting. So I'm just saying this is what I think will happen. If it does, I will short. If it does, I will short from this resistance. If it breaks through, retests, right? Breaks through and gives me a retest, something like this, where price just boom, boom, I will look into buy it to there, right? But if price does not break through and rejects this resistance, then I will look for something like this. It's just, we have to react to the market. This is the only way to go with your trading, because if you keep predicting, you're gonna be 9 out of 10 time wrong, because you cannot predict the market. You can only react to it. So this is what I'm looking at for pound yen. Let's just clear that up. Now, looking at USD JPY, this is also another trade that I pair without even going into the daily. Looking at the 4 hour purely, right, tells me two things. Price action is very bearish. You can see high, low, lower high, lower low. Is this a lower high? We shall see. We don't know. So we have to wait and see how price reacts from this point onward. Maybe it will break this line, go to this blue line, which is a daily support that was used as support and now maybe a resistance. So if it doesn't, then it will just continue melting. However, we are at a support, right? This is a daily support. You see price stopped here, flew by. Now it stopped here. Is it gonna fly by? Is it gonna fly again, or is it gonna continue downwards? We'll have to see and wait. So I'm just gonna wait and see. Be patient. I'm not gonna. I don't have like a valid trade for this period. I will just have to wait and see how it reacts here or here or here. So I only take trades if it's in my area. I don't just take trades in the middle of nowhere. And price is not, right now is in the middle of nowhere. I'm not gonna take any trades. I'm just gonna let it be. Anyway, moving on. This is just from my 4 hour. Obviously, if we go to the daily, it's literally an uptrend, but price has, starting to come back again now. But we'll see how it goes. What else do we have? GA consolidation, literally consolidation, and just because it's consolidating at a major support, now there is a possibility it could go up to this weekly around the 178,800. But consolidating, I'm not trading it. I move on immediately. Don't have to wait for this shit. There's other trades that you can take and trade. Aussie dollar, AUD/USD. Now this is very clean for a bear setup. You can see high, lower high. I mean high, low. Is this a lower high to maybe make a new low? We shall see. So we'll see how price is reacting around this area, right? If price continues to reject and continues to close below and gives me a nice bearish engulfing candle on a 4 hour or something, then I will definitely take a short. But it's very simple. You can see here support, breakthrough, resistance, now resistance again, or maybe it will break through. If it does, cool, we'll wait for a retest to continue long. Either way, we react to the market. So I'm looking at GU. GU is now, let's see here, it is at a resistance now. So we shall see. You see how price continuously closing below this line. It's closing below, it's closing below, it's closing below, rejecting. Is it gonna melt down? Probably. If it's gonna, maybe not. You never know. We just have to wait and see. That's also something I'm looking at. Also, I'm in favor of shorting this pair because it's been just literally massive downtrend. So always go with the trend at a fucking Fibonacci retracement or any retracement back to a previous support. You can see this is a previous support and now it's resistance. Euro USD, similar thing, also short, but it's a lot more choppy and yeah, I don't know what's going on with this pair. I just leave it alone until something clear. What do we have here? USD CAD. USD CAD seemed to be in the middle of nowhere. Obviously, if it was down here, I'd maybe look into short-term buys. But if it was up here, I'd look into shorts. But right now, middle of nowhere. Don't fuck with it. Move on. Gold is in a very nice downtrend. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at this market structure. It's really simple. Breakthrough, retest, lower low. Lower high, lower low, lower high. Like, it's very simple. I don't know why people struggle to make this. I mean, look at this here, right? This previous price action. Market literally is closing below, closing time and time again below this level, which means it's struggling to break, which means it's about to fucking melt. However, if it does give you you have to, that's why you have to have a trading plan. It's very important because you can have a checklist. And if all your criteria meets the checklist and the price action is literally telling you to short and it meets your price action strategy, whatever, you can then short it. But then I'm just going to, again, wait, see if it gives me a nice bearish engulfing or a short signal, or if it wants to break, retest, and go to the previous support or resistance. And this is it, guys. This is the pairs that I'm looking at for this week. This is the list. Give it a look. Check your analysis, see if you're looking at the same thing I am. If not, drop in the comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know why you think it's maybe going to buy, not short. However, I'm a technical analysis trader only. I do look at, obviously, fundamentals just so that I don't trade when the news is out, because I do not like to trade news. It's gambling. I like to trade my trading strategy, and yeah. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. The the Discord server is still going, so if you guys are interested, where I break down these trades and send them on the Discord every Sunday. The just drop a comment, let me know, join their free Telegram group, let me know that you're interested, and we can join you in. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.